me personally, the greatest moments are when someone tells me thank you for your help, thank you for being here for me. Or when a client sends a touching email expressing their gratitude for any of my team members. Nothing compares to that. Being a manager is a combination of responsibilities and pleasure. You should take care of the people's personal development, make sure they feel comfortable in the company, help them when they go through tough moments. Apart from leading a team, I'm also responsible for the department's strategy, interviewing, hiring new people, organizing some team events. I joined the company in 2012, so I barely remember my first days, but I do remember that I was strong at the deep end. Until then, I used to work with waterfall methodologies, and suddenly I had to become agile. I had to dig in and understand what Scrum is, all the ceremonies, artifacts, what the BA role is, and how to best serve the client and the team. My career path at MentorMate is full with challenges and excitement. I was hired as a senior business analyst for a particular project. There was no other BAs in the company, but I was so excited that I used to wake up in the middle of the night to write user stories. At some point, the project ended and the challenges began. We started to offer business analysis services to other clients, but this was not a trivial thing because our clients were in United States. They didn't believe in the value of the offshore business analyst. So it took quite some time until the first clients willing to pay for business analysis appeared. My future plans are tied to the future of the company. Company business is growing, business analysts are in demand, so we are still hiring. Outside of work, my plan is to learn to swim. I'm a working mom of 2 kids, so my hobbies they are related to spending my free time with the family. We use every chance to have fun together. So you can see me riding a bike, playing football or badminton with my 2 sons.